Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance's Dope, and today we're doing a house dance loose legs tutorial. Now I'm going to teach you 4 different loose legs today, each getting slightly harder with every variation, so we'll just call on loose legs 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, we'll smash this one out and make sure you stick to the end because we'll do all of the loose legs, we'll drill on with music. Yeah, so let's start with the first loose leg. So the first one looks like this. So not too crazy really. What you're going to do is you're going to start with stepping your left foot in front. Now you're going to slide that left foot in because your back foot is going to twist like this. And you want both of the outsides of your feet to meet like this. Yeah? So you're going to step that left foot in front. You're going to slide it in as you twist that back foot to face the other way. And both the outsides of your feet should meet like this. Yeah? So step left foot in front, slide it in. Like this. Then from there, you're going to step that back foot, which should be your right foot, in front. And again, you're going to slide it in so both the outsides of your feet are meeting. So you step, slide it in. Step, slide it in. Step, slide it in. Step, slide it in. Now you want to make sure you bend your legs in the step in front to get that bounce. It's house, we're bouncing and jacking. And then you want to slide that foot in and bend them knees slightly to bounce once you get in. So step, in, step, in, step, in, step, in. Yeah? That's loose legs number 1 done. Loose legs number 2. What you're going to do for this one is you're going to step left foot in front. You're going to re-step your back foot, so you're going to re-step your right foot, and then you're going to slide that foot in. So the same as the last step of number 1. You're going to slide it in, so both them feet meet. So we step, re-step back foot, which is your left foot, and you slide that right foot in, so both feet meet. So this one goes step, step, slide in. Step, step, slide in. Step, step, slide in. Step, step, slide in. Yeah, nice. Let me go to the side to make it a bit easier. So you're going to step, step, slide that foot in. Step, step, slide that foot in. Yeah, nice. There's loose legs number 2. We're going to fire through these. Loose legs number 3. What are you going to do for this one? You're going to step left foot in front. You're going to re-step that back foot, that right foot. And then instead of sliding this in, you're going to step it in as that back foot is twisted. So as that right foot twists, you're going to step it in. So instead of sliding it in, you're just going to lift that foot up and step it in. And on the other side, you step right foot in front, re-step that back foot, so re-step your left foot, and you're going to step it in again instead of sliding. Twist, step it in, and make sure the outsides of your feet are meeting. Yeah? So again, start with the left leg, we go step, step, step in. And step, step, step in. Step, step, step it in. Step, step, step it in. Nice. There's loose legs number 3 done. Next we're on to loose legs number 4. This one's a little bit more complicated with music. It is fast. So for this one, you're going to step left foot in front. You're going to re-step that back foot. Now you're going to hit a heel with that front foot. So your left foot is going to heel, and you're going to twist that foot halfway around. So your back foot is going to twist halfway to its destination as you tap that heel. And you're going to twist it all the way to face that way as you step it in. Yeah? So let's do that again. So we step left foot in front, re-step that right foot at the back, tap that front foot on its heel as you twist part way, and then carry on twisting that back foot as you step it in. And you step right foot in front, re-step that left foot at the back, heel on your right foot at the front as you twist halfway with that back foot. And you're going to step that front foot in as you finish the twist with that back foot. So we step left, step right, heel left, and step it in. Then step right, step left, heel right, step it in. So it goes step, step, heel, step, 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 heel, step, 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 heel, step, 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 heel, step. Nice. So that is your 4 loose legs. So loose legs number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's run them quick, and then we'll go with the beat. So loose legs number 1 is step, in, step, twist in, step, twist in, step, twist in. Number 2 is step, step, slide in, step, step, slide in, step, step, slide in, step, step, slide in. Number 3 is step, step, step in, step, step, in, step, step, in, step, step, in. And number 4 is step, step, heel, step, 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 heel, step, 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 heel, step, 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 heel, step, yeah? What we'll do is we'll go to the music. So number 1 is fast, because it's step in, step in. Number 2 and 3 aren't too bad, because they're in your part of break pace. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, yeah? And then number 4, number 4 is a little bit quick, I'm not gonna lie to you. But it's all good, we got it. So what we'll do with the music is we'll go number 1 slow, number 1 fast, number 2 slow, fast, number 3 slow, fast, number 4 slow, fast, yeah? Let's go with the beat. Okay, so what we're gonna do with all of them is go 4 times slow, 8 times fast, yeah? I'll count us in. Let's make it big. 5, 6, 7, 8, step in. So 4 slow, 8 fast. Step, slide in, step, fast. Let's go. Okay, number 2 slow. Step, step, slide in. Step, step, there we go. Now 8 fast, let's go. Number 3 slow. Step, step, step. There you go. Yes, get that bounce. Get your track. Now 8 fast, let's go. Now number 4 slow. Heel, step, 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 heel, step. We're ready for quick. 8 quick, let's go. Yes, there it is. Okay, well done if you got to the end of that one. I hope you enjoyed learning loose legs. Now there is a lot more loose legs, but that's just 4 basic ones that I'm bringing to you. If you guys did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, show some appreciation. Hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Smash that bell notification button to keep up to date with the uploads. If there's anything that I'm not doing, or anything that you guys do want to see, leave a comment down below. Now if you want to learn more house dance moves, routines, or even other styles, I teach light feet and breaking as well. Check out the links in the description. Jump on other tutorials. Apart from that, thank you guys. Catch you in the next one.